pambansang ibon ng ating bansa, ano-ano ang magandang characteristics ng eagle na ito? Its uniqueness, strength, power, and love for freedom ay nagre-reflect din sa values at identity ng ating mga Pilipino. From
NGO TV Network. CDC Lady Vlogs.
Good day everyone. First, I want to express my deepest gratitude sa lahat ng mga kuya at ate na nandito. Ngayon, na nag-spend ang pinakamahalagang araw natin. This is not just about the Eagles itself, ang ating samahan, but the people of Eagles. Their service, compassion, and unwavering commitment. Kasintabay ng ating national emblem or symbol ang ating mga adhikain. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered why Eagles is Philippine National Bird? Nilagdaan ng ating former President Fidel P. Ramos ang Proclamation number 615 na nagtakda sa Avila, specifically the Philippine Monkey-Eating Eagle. Bilang pambansang ibon ng ating bansa, ano-ano ang magandang characteristics ng eagle na ito? Its uniqueness, strength, power, and love for freedom ay nagre-reflect din sa values at identity ng ating mga Pilipino. From those salient characteristics of the Philippine Eagle, ihambing natin sa ating samahan ngayon at makikita natin ang malinaw na similarities. My beloved brethren, the true marks of our social civic organization. Number 1, the eagle strength. Isa sa mga sukatan ng katatagan ng agila ay matibay na grip nito sa mga prey niya. And more importantly, ang matibay na hawak nito sa kanyang offspring kung nais niyang protektahan at pakain ang mga ito. This reflects our values as a group. Whenever our brothers and sisters face like most difficult challenges and are in great need, the eagle immediately finds its way to help and rescue its offspring. Ito ang ating alalayang agila, the undying spirit of brotherhood. Number 2, the eagle's power. Did you know that eagles have enough power in one foot to break a human arm? Ganyan kalakas ang mga agila. But don't get me wrong, hindi natin syempre gustong manakit o gumamit ng lahas para makapakita natin ang kapangyarihan. Power manifests in our commitment to serving our people. The goodwill of humanity is our top priority. We don't hurt people, we care for them, we save them. This too reflects the Filipinos' bayanihan spirit. Pagdadamayan sa oras ng pangangailangan. Number 3, the eagle's love for freedom or liberty. Ano ang may tuturing na extent ng kalayahan ng isang agila? Malaya ito sa karahasan, malayo sa mga individual na may sariling interest. A true eagle promotes peace, equality, and unity. We genuinely value human care. We dare to embrace everyone's uniqueness. Kung matatandaan ninyo sa ating hinisabi doon, service for the good of all humanity. Ang ating pagkalinga sa sinuman ay dapat na walang pinipiling lahi, relihiyon, gender, maging ang political views or preference. Ito ang tunay na definisyon ng ating libertad o kalayaan. And remember, my dear brethren, when we are serving people, our countrymen, we are also serving our Creator as well. I am John Idrensi Regalado, accepting the position of President of Fighter and Sinner Clubs. Soar high, my fellow Eagles, Deo et Patria, for God and His people and nation, para sa Diyos at sa kanyang mamayan at mismong bayan. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Agila!